Welcome to this stunning 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse here in Patio Alcornocal. We're very close to shops and restaurants, tennis club, golf club, all within walking distance. This house has been completely reformed from top to bottom by a local interior design shop. It really is to a very high standard. It's all brand new inside, nobody's lived here. This open plan ground floor really is stunning, takes your breath away as you come through. It's a very large area. Other houses here of this size have been converted into 3 bedrooms. So if you felt you didn't need so much space down on the ground floor, it would be possible to put a 3rd bedroom down here. There's already a bathroom. But if 2 bedrooms is sufficient, then it's a beautiful use of the space here. As well as the front garden by the front door, you've got this internal patio area. You've also got terraces upstairs that we'll see in a moment. Here on this patio, you can see a door there in the corner. That's a utility room. And through here we have the downstairs bathroom. So we've come upstairs now in this Patio Alcornocal townhouse to the master bedroom. Again, beautifully finished. Through here we have the ensuite. There's wardrobes already included in here, but there's scope for adding extra storage if you need it. Come outside onto this wonderfully sunny terrace. Where you can see the sea. And then across the corridor we have the 2nd bedroom. Also with its own small balcony. A private sun trap here. And the ensuite through here.